Hey, on today's video, we're going to show what we do when we come across this, short wires. You can't even get a plug in there, or you can't pull a plug out, you can't work on anything. So we're going to go over a couple of maybe techniques that I use and a couple different products that you can use that make your life a lot easier when you have short wires, be it in a panel or anywhere else. First things first, of course we have the wire nut. Okay, the second product we have are these called Geek Mars, whatever that is. So yeah, it has a little release tabs. So you put your wire on one side, the short wire, the other side, just a piece of wire, push it in the box, you're great. They're just for extending wire. That's all that these are really for. Now, the other ones are wagos. Now, these are the more popular ones. These also have the release tabs. Put on the end of the wire, put another piece of wire in there, put your device on it, and it has these quick release tabs. What's good about these is you've got, this is for 3 wires. This one's for 2 wires. They're interconnected inside. So if you had a wire going in, or 3 wires, let's say that were short, or I'm sorry, 2 wires that were short, put them in there, and then you can come back out with one, and you pigtail them down in essence. So yeah, 2 in, 1 out, and they're interconnected together. I don't know if you can see that or not. So that's what's really cool about those. They're small and compact, then you put those on there. And that's how you extend the wires, and then you just push them in the back like they're wire nuts. Okay, now next is, let me show you what you do if you had to use wire nuts to do this. Okay, to a trained electrician like myself, I don't sweat this, no big deal. But if you're a homeowner or what have you, it's kind of a pain in the ass. So it's short, or what do? Well, we get our strippers in there best we can, grab a hold of that, and take the end off. First thing we have to do is strip it. Now, we grab ourselves some Romex, some scrap laying around. We'll get our stripper in there, kind of crimp it, and muscle with it, and you pull it right out of that sheathing. Excuse me. And then, take it, strip it back. That's gonna be used for our pigtail now. So you can see that I've got it hanging out. So what I do is I bend it towards me. I try to make it longer so I have somewhere for some extra wire for it to wrap. And I hope you can see this. And I grab the 2 wires right here, and I just twist them together. It's not that easy, but you can see, and you simply just twist them together with your side cuts, lineman's pliers, what have you. Now, why you twist them together? Because if you use a wire nut, this wire would just pop out every time. But now we have it twisted together. We not only have the conductors twisted together, we have it being twisted together all the way back there. Stick a wire nut on that, so we know that it's tight, our connection's good. Boom, simple as that. Now we can put our device on there, we're good. Those are the 3 ways that you can combat against short wires. So, all right, hey, thanks for watching. Please like, share.